Good morning, students. Good. Now I am starting perimeter and area of exercise 1B. This is your exercise 1B in your book. This is exercise 1 book. First question is find the area of rectangle of dimension. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. Here first part length this and breadth this. And you know the area of rectangle is equal to length of area of rectangle is equal to L into B. This is the formula area of rectangle. So you multiply both and your answer comes. Now come to the question number 2. If the length of a rectangle is 35.5 meter and its breadth is 5.5 meter less than the length, find its area. Read question very carefully. Length of rectangle itna and breadth is 5.5 meter less than length. So length is equal to 35.5 meter and breadth is equal to 35.5 minus 5.5 is equal to 30 meter. This is your breadth and this is your length. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. This is the formula L into B. L this and breadth this. After multiplying, your answer come 1065.0 meter square. Now come to the question number 3. Find the area of a square if its side is 4 whole 1 upon 3 meter. Side is equal to of 4 whole 1 upon 3 meter. We simplify, then our come 13 upon 3 meter. Now area of square, what is area of square? Area of square is equal to side into side. 13 upon 3 into 13 upon 3 is equal to 169 upon 9 is equal to 18 whole 7 upon 9 meter square. This is the question number 3rd. Now come to the question number 4th का first. Find the length and perimeter. Length निकालना and perimeter of a rectangle. If area of rectangle is this and breadth this. क्या given है? Area and breadth. And you have to find length and perimeter. So first of all you find length with the help of area and breadth. Length is equal to formula area upon B. This is the formula to find L when area and breadth you have no. So L is equal to A upon B is equal to 900 upon 20 is equal to 45 meter. This is your length. Length is equal to 45 meter. So you find length. Now you find perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, and after that your answer come 130 meter. This is the perimeter and this is the length. Now come to the and fourth का first part and fourth का second part you can do easily. You use your mind. Now come to the question number 5. Find the side of a square of area 1936 meter square. You have to find the side of a square. This is your square. Its area this, and you have to find the length of this side. So in formula area this side is equal to, this is the formula, side is equal to under root area. If you know area, then this is the formula to calculate side. Side is equal to square root area. Square root 1936. And what is the square root of 1936? 44. How this come? First of all you prime factor. There are, after that you make pair. This pair and this pair. और हर पेयर में से एक एक निकाला 2 2 11. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग योर आंसर कम 44 मीटर. इट्स मीन द साइड ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर इज 44 मीटर. whole area is this. Similarly, I have done fourth part of question number 5. Area is equal to 7.29 meter square. So how we find the side of square? Similarly, side is equal to square root area is equal to square root 7.29. First of all, we change it. We remove decimal. How decimal remove? I can write 7.29 is equal to 729 upon 100 square root this. And what is the square root 729? 27. And what is the square root of 100? Is 10. After dividing, your answer comes 2.7 meters. What is the square root? This method. And what is the square root of 100? This method. This is the part of the question. This is the part of question. You have to show this part in your question also. Now come to the question number 6. The perimeter of a rectangle is 480 centimeter. This is the perimeter and its length is 140 centimeter. find its area in square meter. You have to find area in square meter, and what you know, perimeter of rectangle and its length. So first of all, you find breadth with the formula B is equal to P upon 2 minus L. In previous exercise, I tell you this formula. Breadth is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus length is equal to perimeter how much? 480 upon 2 minus length is equal to 100 centimeter. This is your breadth. When you find breadth and you know length, now you find area. Now area is equal to L into B, 140 centimeter into 100 centimeter. This is your length and this is your breadth. After multiplying, your answer comes 14,000 centimeter square. But in question, he asked square meter. How you change centimeter to square meter? We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we divide 14,000 by 100 into 100. By this we divide, then this change in meter square. So 20 से 20 cut, this 0 cut this 0. So 14 upon 10. 14 upon 10 means 1.4 meter square. Number 7. Exercise chapter perimeter and area, and question number 7. Find the area of square if its perimeter is 720 meter. You have to find area of square अगर उसका perimeter ये है. This is our square. Given its perimeter 720 meter and you have to find the area of this square. इसका perimeter मालूम है और इसका area निकालना है. So first of all we find side of this square. So side of square is equal to formula perimeter upon 4 is equal to 720 upon 4 is equal to 180 meter. It means the side of this square is 180 meter. Now area of square is equal to formula side into side. 180 meter into 180 meter is equal to 32400 meter square. 32,400 meter square. Area of this square. Now come to the question number 8. If the area of a rectangle is 54 meter square and its width is 75 centimeter, find its length in meter. Area of rectangle is this and width is 75 centimeter. And you find its length in meter. You have to find length in meter. Given what is given? Area 54 meter square, breadth 75 centimeter. Now we change centimeter in meter, 75 upon 100 meter. And 75 upon 100 is equal to 0.75 meter. So this is the breadth and this is the area. Both are in meter. Now length is equal to area upon breadth. This is the formula. Length is equal to area upon breadth. Area 54 and breadth 0.75. First of all we finished decimal. So 5400 upon 75. After reducing, our answer comes 72 meter. So it means the length of rectangle is 72 meter. Now come to the question number 9. Two plot of land have the same perimeter. One is a square of side 40 meter. There are two plot of land. This is square and this is rectangle. This is square shape whose side is 40 meter, while the other is a rectangle of breadth 25 centimeter. And this is the rectangular field whose breadth is given 25 meter, but we do not know what is the length of this rectangle. इसकी length क्या है हमको नहीं मालूम है, इसकी breadth मालूम है और इसकी एक side मालूम है. Which plot is larger and by how much? किसका एरिया ज़्यादा है, इसका एरिया ज़्यादा है कि इसका एरिया? First of all we find the perimeter of square field. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 40 is equal to 160 meter. It means the perimeter of this square field is 160 meter. But according to question, जो एरिया इसका है वही एरिया इसका है. So area of rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle both perimeter are same. So perimeter of rectangle is also 160 meter. तो जो इसका perimeter है वही perimeter इसका है. Now we know the perimeter of this rectangle. Now we find length with the help of this formula. Length is equal to perimeter upon 2 minus breadth. Perimeter how much? 160 upon 2 minus breadth 25. After calculating, our answer comes 55 meter. It means the length of this rectangular field is 55 meter. Now area of square is equal to side into side. is equal to 40 into 40 is equal to 1600 meter square. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 55 into 25 is equal to 1375 meter square. Area of square is 1600 meter square. Area of rectangle is 1375 meter square. It means which area is more? स्क्वायर की रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर का एरिया ज़्यादा है बिकॉज 1600 एंड हाउ मच के लिए बी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम दिस 1600 माइनस 1375 इज इक्वल टू 225 मीटर स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, इसका जो एरिया है वो इससे 225 मीटर स्क्वायर ज़्यादा है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. ए पाथ 2 मीटर सराउंड ए गार्डन 20 मीटर बाई 10 मीटर. ये आपका एक गार्डन है जिसकी ये 20 मीटर लेंथ है और 10 मीटर ब्रेड्थ है. दिस इज आवर गार्डन. दिस 20 मीटर लेंथ एंड 10 मीटर ब्रेड्थ. और इसके चारों तरफ 2 मीटर चौड़ा एक रास्ता है. 2 मीटर इधर से, 2 मीटर इधर से, 2 मीटर इधर से, 2 मीटर इधर से. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन in first part you have to find what the area of the path. We have to find the area of this path. इसका एरिया निकालना है. एंड सेकेंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेविंग द पाथ ₹10 per meter square. So first of all we find the area of the path. Solution. Area of garden, this is our garden, length 20 and breadth 10. The area of garden is equal to L into B, 20 into 10 is equal to 200 meter square. Now area of garden and path, area of garden plus path is equal to L into B. This is 20. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक 20 है तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना होगा? 2 इधर मीन्स 24. दिस इज आवर 24 मीटर. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10 है बट यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना होगा? 14 मीटर, क्योंकि 2 इधर ऐड हो गया. तो दिस इज आवर 14 मीटर एंड दिस इज आवर 24 मीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ गार्डन एंड पाथ इज इक्वल टू L into B, 24 into 14 is equal to 336 meter square. This is the area of garden and this is the area of garden plus path is equal to 336 meter square. So area of path is equal to this minus this is equal to 136 meter square. This is our first answer, area of path. Now cost of paving of 1 meter square, 1 meter square का खर्चा ₹10 and the cost of paving 136 meter square is equal to 136 into 10 is equal to 1360 rupees. Now come to the question number 11. A rectangular field has a path 5 meter wide running around it. If the rectangular formed by the path and the field is 200 meter by 60 meter, find the area of the path, the cost of कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द पाथ एट ₹15 per meter square. एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है जिसकी लेंथ 200 मीटर और ब्रेड्थ 60 मीटर है. इसके अंदर, आपकी बाहर नहीं है, इसमें तो बाहर था. इन दिस क्वेश्चन पाथ इज आउटसाइड बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन पाथ इनसाइड. पाथ जो है इसके अंदर है. हाउ मच वाइड? 5 मीटर वाइड. 5 मीटर वाइड. जूम को एरिया ऑफ this is our rectangular field, total 200 meter this and 60 meter this. So area of rectangular field is equal to 200 into 60 is equal to 12,000 meter square. And this is our 5 meter wide path around the field, rectangular field, but this is inside. So area of field without path, below this area you have to find. What is this? This is total 200, 5 less here, 5 less here. It means from this point to this point is 190 meter. And how much this? This is your 60 meter, 5 meter here less and 5 meter here less. So it means this is our 50 meter. This is 50 meter and this is 190 meter. So area of field without path is equal to L into B is equal to 190 into 50 is equal to 9,500 meter square. Area of rectangular field this. Area of field without path this. So area of path is equal to this minus this is equal to 2,500 meter square. Now second part, cost of constructing the path of 1 meter square is equal to 15 rupees. So cost of constructing of 2,500 meter square is equal to 15 into 2,500 is equal to 37,500 rupees. Now come to the question number 12. Question number 12 you can do yourself because it same as question number 10. Now come to the question number 13. This is our question number 13. In this book, question number 13, a rectangular garden is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. Through the middle of the garden run two straight paths at right angle to each other. If the width of each path is 2 meter, find the area of the remaining portion of the garden. This is our rectangular garden whose length is 60 meter and breadth 40 meter. This is the length and this is the breadth.
Start.
This is our garden which length is 60 meter and breadth is 40 meter, and two paths which width is 2 meter. This is first path and this is second path. So area of rectangular garden is equal to 60 meter by 40 meter is equal to 2400 meter square. Area of first path, suppose I let this area first, this is our first path. Area of this path is equal to length is 60 and width is 2 meter. 60 into 2 is equal to 120 meter square. And this is second path whose width is 2 meter and this is length, this is 40 meter. So area of second path is equal to 40 into 2 is equal to 80 meter square. Area of first path 120 meter square. Area of second part 80 meter square. But this part is common part. This part is common part. So area of this part. What is the area of this part? This is 2 and this is 2. So area of common part is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 meter square. So net area of path is equal to this plus this minus this. 120 plus 80 minus 4 is equal to 196 meter square. This is the net area of path. Now area of remaining part, because in question you have to find remaining part area. So total area 2400 and area of net path is equal to 196. So this minus this is equal to 2204 meter square. Now come to the question number 14th ka first. 14th ka, this is 14th ka first. This is the figure of 14th ka first. In book you can see this is the 14th ka first and all dimensions are in centimeters. So this is our first part. This 3, this 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter. The area of first, I got it. This is the part 1 and this is the part 2. Area of one part, first part 3 into 4 is equal to 12 because this 3 and this is 4. So area of first part is equal to 12 centimeter square. Area of this is the second part. Area of second part is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2 centimeter square. This is 1 and what is this? Total 5 and 3 less here. So total this is how much? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So area of second part is equal to L into B, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 centimeter square. So total area this plus this 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 centimeter square. Now come to the question number 15th ka second. 15th ka second. This is the 15th ka second. And these all dimensions are in meter according to question. So you have to find the shaded area portion. This is how much? 5 and this is 2. So the area of this part is 5 into 2 10 meter square. Similarly area of this part is equal to 10 meter square. And now area of this part is equal to how much this? 4, 4, 8 or 2, 10. This is 10 and this is 3. Area of this part is 30 meter square. Length 10 and breadth 3. So area of first part is equal to 2 into 5. This is our first part. This is our second part and this is our third part. So first part का area 2 into 5 10 meter square. Second part का area 3 into 10 equal to 30 meter square. और थर्ड पार्ट का एरिया 2 into 5 इक्वल टू 10 मीटर स्क्वायर. टोटल एरिया मतलब टोटल शेडेड एरिया इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस 30 प्लस 10 इज इक्वल टू 50 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का सेकंड. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का सेकंड. दिस पार्ट एंड ऑल डायमेंशन आर इन सेंटीमीटर. दीज आर सेंटीमीटर. So this is the first part, this is the second part and this is the third part. What is the area of first part? This is breadth 3 and length 13. So 13 into 3 is equal to 39 centimeter square. This is our second part. This is 10 and this how much this? Total 3, total 13. This is the 13 and 5 this and 5 this. So 5, 5, 10 and 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. This means this distance 3 and length 10. So area of second part is equal to 10 into 3, 30 centimeter square. And area of third part, same area of first part, 13 into 3, 39 centimeter square. So total area is equal to 39 plus 30 plus 39 is equal to 108 centimeter square. Now come to the perimeter of this figure, because you have to find the perimeter also in this figure. So perimeter, suppose you start from this point, so 3 plus 13 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 13 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. Total is equal to 78 centimeters. So the perimeter of this figure is 78 centimeters. Perimeter means sum of all sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 sides, 12 parts. So we add all and our answer comes 78 centimeters. Now come to the 17th third. This is our figure and you have to find the area of this shaded part. This shaded part you have to find area. This is first part. I say this is first part, this is second part and this is third part. So first part, area of first part 12 into 3, length 12, breadth 3. So 12 3 is 36 centimeters square. Suppose this is second part. Second part means up to this. This is your second part. So how much this? ये कितना है? Total 12, this 5, this 5. So 5 plus 5 10 minus 12 minus 2, this is 2. And how much this? Total 14. This is our 14, total 14. And this is 3 and this is 2. 3 plus 2 5. 14 minus 5 means this is 9. This is our 9 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So area of this part is 2 into 9 is equal to 18 centimeter square. Now come to the third part. This is our 18 length and breadth 2. 18 to the 36 centimeter square. So total area of red part or shaded part is equal to this plus this is equal to 90 centimeter square.